All right, so if you do want to create your avatar, if you're in your Teams application, you go to the left-hand side of the screen. There's the 3 dots at the bottom, and all you do is you type in avatar, and it's the purple one. Please notice that it is the purple one. There are many other ones. Like with Teams, they pull in a lot of third-party integrations that are not Microsoft related or not Microsoft products. That is fine, except for the fact that most of them you have to end up paying for. So just be aware that when you do select applications from within Teams, it's not a Microsoft product, you might end up paying for it. It'll warn you before it does. The AI doesn't know your credit card details yet. But just be aware that you might be asked to sign up for a subscription. Okay, we're still downloading. I think if we can, while we're downloading, we actually have another announcement to make. So while we do that, as to not waste any time. Oh, no, okay. All right. Never mind. Ignore me. We're almost there. Let's go back. Okay, so the first time you go into Avatar, it will take a while to load, as with everything that you are doing, something new that you're doing in the Microsoft world. It does give you a base avatar, so it's going to give you the basic ethnic looks, cultural looks and feels. I've already created, so it's not going to show you that, but basically you choose the avatar that's closest to you, and then you can go and customize it. So you can have up to 3 avatars. You can have one maybe more for casual meetings, maybe one more for professional, and you can literally go and change the... What I recommend people do is have a photograph of yourself when you are doing this. Otherwise you end up making an avatar that you think you look like and that you not really look like. And this is not for you to be a supermodel. This is really supposed to be a digital version of you. So give yourself wrinkles and put on your glasses, because that's you. Otherwise you're going to join a call and you're not going to look like yourself. So you see here's lots of body things, very, like I said, on the inclusivity and diversity. There's even prosthetics that you can add. You can go and change your face shape, your nose shape, your skin color, your hair, your appearance. I mean, the sky's the limit. So you can really go into a lot of detail. You do need to save this baby before it will appear for you in Teams. So go and save it. You can make a couple of ones, and then when you're in a Teams call, you can actually have your avatar join the Teams call. Here we go. Okay, we are in the mesh. So this is the mesh. We are still loading. Okay, maybe it's a bit of internet wonkies, but just to take you around the mesh a little bit.
Hello, Vanessa. I can see you.
You can see me. That's wonderful. There I am.
You are in the mesh.
Okay, I'm in the mesh, and you'll see that it also does the reactions. There we go. All right, so now what we'll do is we're going to go and move around a little bit. So we have 28 people in this call. So if you don't have an avatar, oh, there was one running. Did you all see that one? That's probably Arnu, sorry. Okay, let me just go there. To navigate myself, I haven't been in the mesh. Oh, there we go. There's Arnu. Arnu, move a little bit more towards the center of the screen so we can see you. There we go. That's Arnu. Do you see he does look, oh dear, now he's on top of the screen. All right, so that's Arnu. There we go. There's France coming in. We've got PG on that side. Here we've got some more avatars. Yay, everybody's in there. Okay, so now we can do some environment settings. You can change the environment, so you can be in a lake house, in an oasis, lots of different places that you can be. You can even, when you're in, there's a seating overview, so if you've got around the table, the virtual table that you've got, you can see PG's already sitting over there. I can go and put myself in that seat now. There I am. All right, so these are the seating arrangements. You'll see they don't have a bottom half. The reason I asked you if you've been in the Facebook metaverse, you can go and Google it after the session. It's not a good idea to have a bottom half. The reasons you will be able to Google. But anyway, this is the idea behind the mesh. All the normal functionality is available within the mesh. I'm just, there we go, so I can turn around. I can look around. There we go. I can also walk around. I don't walk around somewhere. I've lost my abilities to use my legs. I think it's this one. But anyway, so over there you'll see there are all the other attendees on the call. The virtual people are here. And then if it is if they are displaying with a camera, a video camera, then the little camera will be displayed there. Unfortunately, we're not quite there yet where it will be like a human being, a drawn version or a video 3D version of yourself. That is coming. Watch this space, okay? Watch this space. But we're not quite there yet. But yeah, this is basically...
Well, if somebody brought meat, we can go and braai outside. There's a fire.
Oh, is there? Okay, let's go there. Let's go there. Now I need to lift myself up. Okay, Beulah entered the space. There we go. Let's see. Oh, there's the fire. I don't think we can braai there. Honestly, I don't think we can braai there. Marshmallows. We can do marshmallows. So now I'm going to put myself there. There we go. We have marshmallows. Yay. Okay, there we go. All right, so that was just a very quick demonstration. Obviously, there's a lot you can do in the mesh. Maybe not as relevant today. Maybe it's freaking some people out a little bit. This is just a bit too futuristic. But it is coming, so it's better to be prepared. We need to be future fit. And I can see that Frans is also booting up with a marshmallow. As I know him, he'd rather have some glühwein. But yeah, that is the Microsoft Mesh. A wonderful place. You saw me struggle my way, but I think the audience helped me so nicely. If you want to go and test it out, there are some license limitations. If it is not quite working for you, talk to us. We can guide you through the process. But get your own mesh up and running as soon as possible, not just for fun, really for inclusivity and diversity. If I can just quickly give you an idea here, doesn't want me to do it in the mesh, but what Microsoft has brought in, which is very exciting, is they've actually brought in sign language. So your avatar can actually now use sign language, and also you can bring in a signer. So really Microsoft all about inclusivity and diversity. So thank you very much. That was my piece on the mesh.